In this video, we are talking about the industrial society of Russia. Industrialization brought men, women, and children to the factories. That means when there are so many inventions took place in 19th century, then the factories also develop and need lot of labor. So not only the gents but the ladies and the children also work in these factories of Russia. Housing and sanitation were problems because the towns were growing rapidly. Rebels and radicals searched for solution of this issue. Workers had no political rights, where long wages were poor sanitation and unemployed was common. That means the situation of the worker. The worker worked for a long hours and the salary was very poor. Housing system, sanitation problem, all are there. Women also participate. During the Russian Revolution 1905 and the February Revolution 1970, the women worker also took part in the shaping of the future of the Russia. Women worker made up 31% of the factory labor force, but they were paid less than men. Women workers had not only to work in factories but also had to look after their families and children. They often inspire their male co-worker. Almost all industries were the property of individual liberals and radicals themselves were the often property owner or employers. The France, Italy, Germany became the revolutionary work to overthrow existing monarchy, because they also want to be the equal rights. They also protest against the system of monarchy. By the mid of 19th century in Europe, socialism attract widespread attention. That means the ideology of the socialism was very much spread throughout the Europe. Socialists were against the private property and considered it was the root of all social ills of the time. During the rule of Tsar Nicholas, the privilege had got special right, while the general republic, including the worker and framer, had no say to the government. That means there are no rights to talk and argue with the government. They have no rights to say something to the government. The situation had become so explosive. That means the situation was very worse. So even the liberal campaign to end this state of affair. You all know the liberal ideology. They in favor of the privileged class and they in favor of the aristocracy. But the situation of the public, especially the factory workers who work there, that is very poor condition. And the liberal also raised their voice against the privileged class. So you all know what type of situation was there during the industrial development. Socialists has different vision of the future. They all do work together, but their ideology was different from theirs.